Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Koala. Koala is a realistic plush toy for emotional healing and comfort that has been getting really popular among social media influencers lately. So it is kind of comfort healing toy that will provide you with stress relief, hugs and snuggles anytime. So they've marketed it as a really cute and adorable toy, stuffed toy. But now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those adorable promises. As you can see that it has a rating of 2.04 out of 5 and it is based on 4 reviews. So this is a really bad rating and only 4 people have reviewed it so far. It is also a major concern. Why? Because only few people have bought it so far. And as you can see, it is also available on Walmart and it has not even a single rating available on Walmart. So this is a major red flag as well, because none of the person has already purchased it from a global platform like this. And it is available on AliExpress as well. So Koala Emotional Healing on Demand AI Push provides emotional supports, same as the description was available on Amazon. So as you can see, the AliExpress has 9 reviews and the people have given it 4.2 ratings and 106 have been sold so far. So this is a pretty much decent rating, but we could not fall for that. As you can see, once I tried to search for the product on their official website is no longer available. So this is also a major red flag and raises concerns about the authenticity of this product. So in conclusion, I would say like this product is pretty much a little bit of scam, because the type of description they have given is not all true, but you can give it a shot and maybe purchase it. But I would say like it's investing that much money in this little toy is not a good decision. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.